Welcome to my channel. Article first A and the start. First question. Have you got dot pen? First option dot, second option A, third option an, and fourth option the. Right answer option B. A. Correct answer. Description. We use the article A with singular countable nouns when we talk about them in general. Next question. I'll question most. We have got only dot dot hour to do this task. Option A, option B, and option C, the option D dot. Right answer option B. Correct answer. Description. We use article A or an to show the quantity. Only one an is used before words starting with sound A, E, I, O, U. Next question. I saw a bird in the tree. Dot. Bird was grey. First option A, second option an, third option the, fourth option dot. Right answer C. Correct answer. Description. We use the with all types of nouns when we talk about definite and specific things. The also goes before nouns monotoned for the second time. Next question. I'll question most students. Paris is dot capital of France. First option A, second option an, third option the, fourth option dot. Right answer option C. Correct answer. Description. We use the with all kinds of nouns when we talk about definite and specific things. Here we know that each country has the only capital. Next question. I see dot three men outside. Option A, option B, and option C, the option D dot. Right answer option D. Correct answer. Description. We do not use an article before cardinal numbers. Numbers word that name a quantity when the number word functions as a noun. E.g., the customer admired the artist's paintings enough to buy one. Usually, we do not also use articles before the combination a cardinal numeral plus a noun as you have in this test. However, a noun modified by a cardinal numeral can be used with the definite article because this is accounted for by the situation or context. E.g., by candlelight, the two men seemed of an age, if indeed not of the same family. In this sentence, the next two men are meant due to the context. Next question. Charles Dickens was dot famous English writer. Option A, option B, and option C, the option D dot. Right answer option A. Correct answer. Description. We use the indefinite articles a or an to say what someone is or what job they do. My brother Jorer is an artist. We use a when the noun we are referring to be banks with a consonant. B C D F G H J K L M N P Q R S T V W X Y or Z. For example, a worker, a teacher, and a student. We use and when the noun we are referring to beings with a vowel a e i o u. For example, an accountant. Next question: is this dot your new car? Option A, option B, and option C, the option D. Dot. Is this dot your new car? Right answer option D. Dot. Correct answer. Description: we do not use articles before possessive adjectives. Next question, all question most. Dot. Moon is beautiful today. Is not it? Option A. A. Option B. And option C. The option D. Dot. Dot. Moon is beautiful today. Is not it? Right answer option C. Correct answer. The. Description: we use the definite articles the in front of a noun when we are sure the interlocutor hearer reader knows exactly what we are referring to because there is only one and it is inquiring. The moon goes around the earth. The earth moves around the sun. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth, visible chiefly at night by reflected light from the sun. There is only one natural satellite of the earth. That is why we use the definite article the in front of the word moon. Next question: I bought some chess, 10 apples and dot bottle of wine. Option A, option B, and option C. The option D. Dot. Right answer option A. A. G. Correct answer. Description: a or an and the or articles, they are a type of determiner and they go before a noun. The indefinite article a or an before a noun shows that what is referred to is not already known to the speaker, listener, right, and or reader. We refer to something for the first time. Would you like a drink? We also use it to show the person or thing is one of a group. Let us buy a red dress. We use it when the next word starts with a consonant, a boy, a dog, or before words starting in U and EU, when they sound like U, a university, a unit, a European style, a euro. We use and when the next word starts with a vowel, a e i o u, or with a mute as an actor, an invention, an eagle, on old school, an umbrella, an hour. We do not use an indefinite article with plural nouns. Bears and uncountable nouns advice. I saw some bears in the zoo. She gave me good advice. The definite article the before a noun so that what is referred to is already known to the speaker, Listener, writer, and or reader refer to something which has already been mentioned. We went to the restaurant yesterday. The sun rose at 5:34 in the morning. Now read a book on the life of Angelina Jolie. In the test sentence, I bought some chess, 10 apples and a bottle of wine. We should choose the article that stands before the countable noun. Bottle, thus we do not need answer for. That starts with the consonant B and it is not answer to an. We also understand that the speaker mentions this bottle of wine for the first time, thus we are to choose answer first A. Next question. Have you ever been to dot sickly? Option A, option B, and option C, the option D, dot. Have you ever been to dot sickly? Right answer, option D, dot. Description. We do not use the definite article the with individual islands. Prince Edward Island, Java, Sumatra, Panya, Bali, Cebu, Sardinia, etc. But we do use the definite article the with groups of islands. The Conrise the Pacific Islands, the Frozen Island or the Border Islands. In the test sentence, have you ever been to Cycli? We are given the name of the individual Iceland Cycli. Thus, we cannot use any article with it. Therefore, we are to choose answer 4. Peace.